What is up, everyone? Today is, I don't even know what day it is. Today, this is kind of like a little bit of update of what's going on in my life. And for whoever's out there who's actually even interested, thank you for watching. So, a couple things. We are moving and we have about feels like 3 weeks left of school, and it's just been crazy. I had surgery. I'm still having like these crazy headaches, and they kind of go on throughout the whole entire day, but it's not extreme pain, but it's like just consistent headache throughout the whole entire day. And I think that's just because with anything with like your sinuses, they're up into like your brain and they're playing with your nose, and it's awful. It's awful. Other than that, I've been trying to just stay in the dark a lot. I haven't been posting a ton, but a lot of it's been scheduled. So I haven't actually been online, but a lot of it has been posted because I've been pre-scheduling it. So I've been doing a little bit of bullet journaling. One of the things I love about bullet journaling is that it actually like soothes my mind and takes me to like this magical place of just like creating. So bullet journaling has been something I've been trying to do since I've been off school. I've been off school for a little while because of this surgery thing. My wife got a book from a parent who spent some time in Manila. So I do have a book I need to start reading. It's basically about Filipinos, and it's called Berman, Ballin' in Flip-Flops in the Philippines, Unlikely Love Affair with Basketball. I'm super excited because I am moving to the Philippines in August. So I don't know a ton about the Philippines, but I know that their culture is vibrant and exciting and busy. So I'm really, really excited to get into that book and just get to know the Filipino culture a little bit more. Another interesting fact is that this space that you've been seeing is going to change over the summer, and it's going to change again in August. I have no idea what our place is going to look like in Manila. I'm hoping, I'm praying, I'm just wishing that I have a space when we get there. I have to talk that over with my wife, but I don't know. I know this is going to change. I'm eventually going to start tearing everything down in this small little space. That is not going to be fun. The end of the year is coming for my students. One thing I try to push as much as possible is reading. I had this conversation online with some teachers about what summer should look like for kids, and I truly believe that summer should be full of fun and play. I don't suggest giving students packages of things to do like worksheets. I think book recommendations, types of readings, video clips, suggestions for things to do, all those things I think are great, but students need a break. School is very long, it can be draining, it can be stressful. Students need to be getting out and playing as much as possible. That's just my personal opinion. I'm not a parent, so I don't know what your schedules are, but it's something I think you should at least take into consideration. Let the kids play. Lastly, this daily vlogging thing has been a lot of fun. I don't even know what week I'm on. I think I'm on week 6 or 7. I'm gonna try to keep it up. It's been eye-opening. I've been learning a lot. I've been having a lot of positive reviews. I've also been getting some critics, which is nice. I love trying to grow as an educator. I love sharing what I'm doing in my classroom. So that is the reason why I'm vlogging, is because I think it is the way of the future for educators, and I think that this online presence that educators have and the way that we're able to share right now is just incredible. So me being able to vlog and connect, and people being able to be within my classroom walls without actually physically being there, and then being able to critique it or ask questions about it, not only energizes my learning, but also amplifies the learning that my students have in my classroom. So with that, I thank you all for tuning in. That is a little bit of an update for me. I will see you tomorrow. I'm probably gonna go have an Advil and then lay down. I'm super tired. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.